Now, let's proceed to growth investments. Meron dito yung bonds, mutual fund, UITF or Unit Investment Trust Fund, and VUL or Variable Unit Link, or some would say Variable Universal Life. Let me explain in concepts or in pictures para mas madali mo siyang maintindihan. If mutual fund naman, let's start with you. You are investing money in a private company. Etong private company, pooled funds ito. So there's a lot of investors. Maybe you invested 10,000, I invested 5,000, other person invested 50,000, iba 100,000. So yung pooled or na-gathered na funds, ko-collect yun ng private company and they will actually invest it in cash, equity, and bonds. No, cash meaning pera, pera sa bangko. Equity is pagmamay-ari ng isang kumpanya. Bonds is pautang mo, no? And you get money or interest in return. Now, si private company, once nag-invest sila, kung ano man yung kikitain or yung return on investment, yun yung babalik sa'yo as income. And mutual funds, these are regulated by the SEC or the Securities and Exchange Commission. Next is UITF or Unit Investment Trust Fund. It's almost exactly the same with mutual funds. Dalawa lang yung difference, no? So you are investing money, pooled funds pa rin siya sa bangko. Now si bank or the fund manager in the bank, they will invest it sa, again, cash, equity, and bonds. And kung ano yung kikitain sa investment na yun, the return on investment goes directly back to you as income. And UITF investments, these are regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Next is bonds. No, so ikaw nagpapautang ka ng pera sa government or private corporation. Here in the Philippines, the most common bonds are nasa government. No, so ikaw nagpapautang ka ng pera sa gobyerno and they will invest this money or gagamitin nila tong pangkapital sa mga projects and businesses. And kung ano man yung kita nun, no, yung return on investment, yun yung kikitain mo as income. And in some cases, this goes in the form of dividends. No? So return on investment, babalik sa iyo yung income. Bonds, in other words, nagpapautang ka ng pera sa government or private corporation. Next is VUL or Variable Unit Link, Variable Universal Life. It's basically a life insurance policy na may investment component. So, meron kang life insurance plus mutual fund, that is VUL. Life insurance plus UITF, that is VUL. Life insurance plus bonds is VUL. Or life insurance plus mutual funds, UITF plus bonds is equals to VUL. No, you get the point. No, basta may life insurance tapos may life insurance policy na may investment, that's automatically considered as variable unit link or VUL.